Dun, dun, dun. Another one bites the dust. Okay. 05 Dodgy Wadgy. Red. Big. Maybe even third row. V8. No check engine lights on. 118,000 miles. Cold AC. Clean. Power, this and that. Sitting in it. Sits up high. Sits up nice. Good brakes. Tight steering. Let's roll. Lots of power. Shifting right through. Everything's doing what it should. It's dodging right on down the road. And what a great name for a car. Dodge. It's like an instructions for pedestrians. Ha ha ha. An oldie but a goodie. Cruise control, power windows. Nice CD player for your CD collection. What's to say? All-wheel drive works. She is four-wheel drive. Got four-wheel drive lock too for those oh-so-deep Ohio snows. Not a rattle or a bump on the way down the road. Brakes are nice and tight. Let's make a quick turnaround at the rock quarry. Ever so scenic. Something going on with this dude's stuff. Gators. I mean, if you're looking for full-size, four-wheel drive SUV in a sharp red color, decent miles, I mean, it's sitting here waiting for you. It's not missing a step, this truck. I can't even really think anything to be picky about on it. It's nice and tight. The brakes are good. I mean, it's kind of running like new. Only driven to church on Sundays by a little old lady. No, but seriously, folks. Let's pull off here and take a gander towards the outside. Okay. Let's listen to this motor. Sounds pretty good for a Dodge. No, it sounds good. We're not seeing any rust at all. Good Dextero tires, which are like factory, so the people are spending some cash on it. And they all match, no less. Nice and straight there, nice and straight there. Not a ding or dent on it. No scratches. Nice tires. A weird scratch there. One scratch. Let's look around the back. Got the toe thing. And third row is under there. It's even got the removable pass-through seat. Durango. Yeah, she even sounds pretty badass. But I don't know. That's a cheap, solid truck there. Does everything you need to do. Truck it, man. Buy it. 330-501-2948. Thanks.